Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel. Got a challenge locking device called Half the Fun by Crank. And I believe this one was sent to me by Mr. Bill Bacardi. So, Bill, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I have not tried this one yet. I did get it set up in the device, though, so we can get started on it. There's the bitting on the key. Doesn't look too crazy, but nice bitting. Got some ups and downs. Sorry, there we are. And does work like a brand new lock. I mean, there's no ticks to it or nothing. So, alright, so we are going to go with top of the keyway as usual. I do have the microphone again sitting right there, so it should pick up nice. Started using that external mic. Oh, that does fit, does it? I didn't think that big one was going to fit. Well, not really. Let's go next size down. There we go. Okay. And let me see. I need something fairly thin to get in there. Let's try one of these. I think this is the offset hybrid from the, I think it is. I want to say the Tuxedo Royale set, maybe. Super thin. This way it'll fit. It should. Let me see. Yeah, it fits nice and good. Okay, so let's get brought in here a little bit. And if we get this done in a decent time, I want to flip around and show y'all the Padlock collection, how well it's going. And I came up with a cool, what I think is a cool name for them. And I'm hoping I can get some feedback from y'all on it. So let's do this first, huh? Yeah, I can feel the pins nice and good. Oh, got a click already from 4, I think it was. Counter, I think. Nope, let that drop. It didn't feel good. Oh, that did. I think that was 5. Oh, we just went into a false set already. That was quick. Maybe a trap, though. We'll soon find out. Oh, just went a little deeper. I feel a trap coming. Yep. Oh, dear Lord, I think we just got it. Oh, okay, we got it. Yeah. Maybe that's why it's called Half the Fun. Okay, let's, yeah, it's open. Very much open. Let's go ahead and get backed out. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. Focus. Okay, let's get it out of here. Set that down. Bada boom, bada bang. Okay, half the fun, huh? Let's bring the camera down over there. Might work. Let's get a pin and tray down here. Alrighty, bada boom, bada bang. Very much open still, as we can see. We got a key so I can lock it back up. It's kind of funky. I was looking at it before I put it in the vise. It's got a funky clip on the back, but I don't think it's going to be too much of a problem. I might be able to just pop it out this way. Yep, bada boom, bada bang. And then it looks like that thing comes off. Yep, okay, the little actuator. And we'll get that screwdriver out the way, and then we can go with, let's see, go with the key. I really hope it doesn't need any kind of, oh, you know what, maybe I can use the, I'll tell you what, maybe I can shoot it through with the hollow one, like this, and then put a solid one back through to gut it. Because I don't like gutting with a hollow follower. So let's do this part first. Let's get these laid out. Nice. Nice. Cool pin work. It was just half the fun. Alright, get some eyes on here. We've got, let me see, where's my pokey? There it is. On the core we've got, I wouldn't call that undercuts. They're, well, yeah, it's more like a, because there's nothing to grab there. It's more like just a ring around the, I don't know how to explain that. Let me just try to get it on camera. Maybe that'll be better. Just kind of a ring around it, like a lip. That's probably the best I can describe that on number 2 and number 5. Okay, let's get these pins flipped around over here. That's good. Bada boom, bada bang on those. Okay, now, like I said, I don't much like hollow followers, so I'm going to try and shove this one back through here, hopefully without too much damage. Oh boy, let's do it. Nice, okay. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright. There we go. Where are we at? Number 1's kind of like a maybe that's why it was so easy. It's like a key pin with the rounded part facing up. Well, that's how I got it. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or what. This one right here doesn't want to come out. There we go. Okay, now this is another key pin, but it was flipped, I guess, the right way. That looks like a standard. Nope, that's a T-pin. With a very long spring. That was 3, so we need 4. 4 is a standard. And number 5 is a like a double serrated and a copper spring. And I'm gonna guess there's nothing done up there, but I'll stab it anyways to find out. No, there's no mods up there. No mods. Okay, let's take a close-up on this Half the Fun by Crank. There we go. Bada boom, bada bang. A fun little pick. I guess it's a proper name for it. Alright, so let's come in over here a little bit. Where am I at? Jeez, Al. Alright, there we go. Key pin. We've got this kind of funny ball top to it. Number 2, I'd call that almost spooled. And then 3, serrated. 4 has got this slight, it's, what would you call that? Slightly reduced on the top. And then 5, obviously a spool with a very sharp top to it. And then the driver, see, this one is a key pin, and it was in just like that. That's how it was in there. And then 2, same thing. It's kind of rounded off like a ball spool. 3 was a T-pin, 4 standard, and 5 is just double serrated. And the springs, looks like copper, steel, copper, steel, copper. That's what we got. Thank you so much. I believe, like I said, I think Bill Bacardi sent it, so thank you. And Crank, cool fun lock, bud. Half the Fun by Crank. And I'm going to have to watch it and put these pins back how they went. Son of a gun. Yep, I'll have to watch the video back because I just tapped that. Probably the first time I ever done that. I went that way. Okay, we'll get it fixed. Actually, I think that's how it was. There we go. Okay, we're good. Huh. No harm, no foul. All right. Now, like I said, the Padlock collection. Oh, I got this microphone hooked up here. Actually, you know what? That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and unplug the microphone. At least the external mic. So we'll Alright, it didn't want me to disconnect the microphone, so I'm going to do my best here. See if I can take the camera off that. Oh boy. And flip it around, and let's see what we can do here. So that's how big the Padlock collection has grown thus far, and that's the name I came up with for them. Locks Without Borders, proudly donated by Locksport members. So I'd like your all opinion on what you think about the name for them, and I'm still asking for people, you know, if you're one of my supporters or subscribers or whatever, and you do have a YouTube channel and you want to send me a padlock for the collection, please do so. Alright, Big Al, signing out.